Hey y'all, welcome back to the Southern City Girl channel. I am so happy to be back with another video, baby. So this video, you could either make this as a side or a full meal. It all depends on what your preference is. Boo. This is my hibachi style mushrooms and spinach. Like literally it tastes like it was made on a hibachi grill, but it was made on the stove. Like this is crazy. And yes, it's super healthy, it's super filling. So if you want to learn how to make this, keep on watching. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get into these ingredients. You're going to need a portobello mushroom, some spinach, some homemade garlic butter. I mean, you could buy the store-bought stuff, but I make my own. If you want the recipe, leave that down below. Let me know, just let me know. We have some tomatoes, some onion, and some chopped garlic. We're also going to use my seasonings, of course, Southern City Girl seasonings. This is the garden garlic, onion, and herbs. Whew, the best seasoning. This is the no salt seasoning salt, okay? So the seasoning without the salt, yes, that. And then we have the salt and black pepper so that we can put our salt back inside of the seasonings, but we can control our salt intake. Now it's time to burn, child. And if y'all don't know what burning means, that just means cooking. Alright, so it is time to cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a washed portobello mushroom. By the way, all of these vegetables were washed before they were cut and, put to the side. They were washed. Please wash your vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and chop up this portobello mushroom into bite sizes. Yeah, honey, I love me a good portobello mushroom, child. Whew. Well, y'all, it is time to move on to the pot, but unfortunately, my camera was not recording when I put everything in the pot. But all I did was put a little oil. The exact measurements are on my website. The link will be down below to this direct recipe. So all I did was put the oil in there. Then I dropped in the mushrooms, and I am going to saute them for at least 5 minutes or until I feel like they're tender. Now, with this process is you're going to cook the mushrooms before you put the spinach in there because spinach cooks fast. You don't want no hard, crunchy mushrooms with, super soft spinach. It ain't going to work. So let's just saute these for a minute until they're nice and tender. You know what I mean? Alright, so this is about 7 to 8 minutes later after we started sauteing the mushrooms. I like mine to be on medium, high heat. So as you can see, some of the natural juices started to come out. Now this is the perfect time to put the garlic butter in. You don't want to put the garlic butter in too early because you will end up burning the butter off and losing the flavor. So I added my garlic butter in, and now we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings to the pot. I like to add half of the seasonings now and then half towards the end, just so that I could taste it, because with vegetables it's very easy to over season them and then they will be salty. Do y'all see this gravy these mushrooms made? Oh my god, and we're not even done. So let's go ahead and add our spinach into the pot, and we're going to stir from the bottom up. After about 5 minutes or so, your vegetables should look like this. At this point, they are done. So you're going to go ahead and scoop out all of your vegetables, leaving the gravy inside of the pot. Now, even though I said that this part is optional, I really recommend it. It's just taking out the vegetables and letting that gravy cook down until it's like a little bit thicker than this, because like if you just leave it water, it's just gonna be watery. It's not gonna be as flavorful. All of that flavor is still inside of that gravy, so you want to enhance that gravy flavor by making it thicker and boiling out all of that extra water. And before you know it, your gravy is done. So you're just gonna go ahead and pour that gravy. Do you see how thick that gravy is now compared to a minute ago? Oh my God. So you're just gonna pour all of that gravy on top of your vegetables, and voila, they are done. And if you want to take it a step further, if you want to make this a vegan meal instead of adding it to like a steak or whatever, you can actually add rice or a grain like quinoa or something, mix it on in there, and you can make like hibachi type rice. Oh my God, it is so filling. Alright y'all, so we are done. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also follow me on social media. The links are down below, including the link to this recipe. Until next time, ta-ta!